Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add blogger blogs to Google AdSense to earn money. Alright, it's easy and straightforward. First thing we need to do is create your blog. So you go to www.blogger.com. If you don't have a blog already, then you create your blog. And if you have one, sign in. Alright, so we're going to create our blog and okay, so what's the title of our blog? So I'm gonna fill in this information and I'll get back to you. So once you're done inputting all the information, should be right here on this page. We're gonna create a new blog. All right, this is the blog I already created. So if you want to create a new blog, and you want to connect it to your Google AdSense account, you just click on new blog, put the title, and then you click on next. Let's just say cat TV. Next, then you put address, then you click save. Okay, so once you've done that, to connect your blog to your Google AdSense to earn money, what you need to do is go to earn it. Okay, so if you don't already have a AdSense account, you can just create one easily right here. So you click on create AdSense account, then it's going to take you to Google. All right, so your site cattv298blogspot.com. Yes, set me customize your performance. Okay, so you select your country, payment, country, territory. All right, accept, start using AdSense. All right, great. So now we've created our Google AdSense account. So the next thing to do is to connect our site to this Google AdSense. That means we're connecting our blog to the Google AdSense. So what you need to do is go to under Google AdSense, click on sites. Okay. All right. So our blog has already been added. So if your blog has not been added, all you need to do is just click on new site and copy this your blog link. Just copy cattv298.blogspot.com and just input it here and click save. Then the blog is connected. So once you're done with that, okay, so once our site has been connected to our blogspot, now you want to click on ads. All right. Okay, so you said auto ads on. So if if your auto ad is not on, so all you need to do is go to this edit right here, this pencil that says edit, click on it and come right here and turn it on. Okay, so you just click on auto ads. Once you click on auto ads, this is how the blog is gonna show on the website. This is how it's gonna show on. Okay, so it's a one-page ad. You can make your ad multiple pages. Okay, right here you can make it multiple pages, multiplex ad, related search, whatever feels good to you. So then once you're done doing that, then you click apply to site. Hey, all right. We've created our blog for ads to run ads, and now to confirm if our AdSense has been verified, just go to sites and click next. All right, so verify site ownership, click on that. All right, once you click on verify, request review, and once you're done with that, getting your site ready to show out. So once the review has been requested, if it takes a couple of weeks sometimes to get this review sorted, and once they sort it out, your blog is ready to show ads. If you want to run ads from our blog site manually, all you need to do is go back to the blog site. All right, click on layout. Okay, so once you click on layout, you scroll down to sidebar. Okay, so you click on, once you're on sidebar, you click on add a gadget and then click on AdSense. All right, so you can use the format that you want the ads to show. Click on whichever format you want, laid out as responsive. So it's going to bring the ads out, in a normal format on our AdSense. So click on save. We're done with that. All we need to do is to wait for our ads to be approved. If you gain something from this tutorial, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section on what you don't understand, and make sure to leave a like and a subscribe. Okay, make sure to subscribe to the channel